Hello students, today we will discuss the integration of continued irrational parts and it's the part 2 of the continued irrational parts. In first part we have given already three types of irrational factors or ratio of polynomial factors. Now today we will discuss two types. First is dx by px plus q into root over of ax square plus bx plus c, and the another type is dx by ax square plus b into root over of px square plus q. Look at this is called dx by linear into root over quadratic. L stands for linear, q stands for quadratic, and here we say it is pure quadratic. What are the rules for this? In case of linear into root over of quadratic, linear will be taken as 1 by z. Px plus q will be taken as 1 by z. And from this we find the dx value used in the numerator. And from this we find the value of x, and it will be used in the root over of ax square plus bx plus c. Now, in case of pure quadratic, the only rule is put x is equals to 1 by z. Put x is equals to 1 by z. Let us go for one of the example from both sides, both the types. One from the first type, dx by x plus 1 into root over of 2x square plus x plus 1. Look at, here is the linear and this one is the quadratic irrationals. Now put x plus 1 equal to 1 by z. Then x is equals to 1 by z minus 1, that is 1 minus z by z. From this, what is dx? One derivative 0, x is dx, and 1 by z is 1 minus 1 by z square into dz, right? So we put these values here, dx, for dx we write 1 by z square into dz, right? And for x plus 1 we write 1 by z and root over of 2 into x square, means 1 minus z by z whole square, 1 minus z by z whole square plus 1 minus z by z plus 1. Here you cancel the z term from the numerator. Now minus will be taken out, 1 by z into dz divided by root over of 2 into 1 minus z whole square plus z into 1 minus z plus z square divided by z square. Here is z square, here is z. Z square, z LCM is z square, right? So 2 into 1 minus z whole square plus here is z square is here. So z square divided by z will remain z will be multiplied in the numerator plus 1 into z square. Z square root over is what? Z, and this z will be cancelled with this. Z square root over is z will be cancelled out. This is equal to minus 1 by z into dz divided by root over of 2 into 1 minus 2z plus z square, open the whole square, plus z minus z square plus z square divided by root over of z square is z. Here the z term is cancelled out, right? Now come to its next simplification form. Now it is minus dz by in the root over 2 minus 4z plus 2z square plus z, because z square cancel with z. This is equal to minus dz by 2z square minus 3z plus 2 root over. Now it reduced to the formula type dx by x square plus a square, log x plus root over of x square plus a square. We reduce to that one. So in this case we make it a perfect square. Take 2 common in the root over, it will be z square minus 3z by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by root 2 into dz by root over of z square minus 2 into z into 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 square plus 1 minus 3 by 4 square 9 by 16. We add 3 by 4 whole square to make it perfect square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So it is minus 1 by root 2 into integration of dz by root over of z minus 3 by 4 whole square plus it is 7 by 16. It is 7 by 16. If you take z minus 3 by 4 as u, then what will be dz? dz will be du. Let z minus 3 by 4 equals to u. Then dz du by dz equals to 1. Then du will be equals to dz. du will be equals to dz. So it is minus 1 by root 2 integration of du by root over of u square plus 7 by 16. What will be its value? Then equals to minus 1 by root 2 log of u plus root over of u square plus 7 by 16, this plus c. And now you put the value of u. What is u? u is z minus 3 by 4. After putting this value, again you put the value of z. What is z? What is z? z is 1 by x plus 1. z is 1 by x plus 1. You put this value and make the simplify form, and that will be the final answer for first type. Now come to the another example for the next new type. Next new type is pure quadratic form. In this pure quadratic form, in this, why it is called the pure quadratic? It is only the even power x power 2 term, no odd power of x. X term is not available here. So we cannot put x is equal to any other method. We put only x is equal to 1 by z or 1 by t. Let us come to one example. dx by 2x square plus 1 into root over of x square plus 2. Here is pure quadratic, only x square. Here is pure quadratic, only x square. So put x is equal to 1 by t or 1 by z. Let us take x is equal to 1 by t. So what about dx by dt? dx by dt is equal to minus 1 by t square. So what about dx? dx is equal to minus dt by t square, right? dx is equal to minus dt by t square. Put these values. It is minus dt by t square by 2 by t square plus 1 into root over of 1 by t square plus 2. Now make it more simpler form. dt by t square divided by 2 plus t square by t square into 1 plus 2t square, LCM t square, and in the out of root over it will be t. Now t square cancel with t square. This t will go to the numerator, minus t dt by t square plus 2 into root over of 2t square plus 1. Tell me what is in which root over, in which derivative t square will be available, t will be available. T is in the numerator, it is the derivative of t square. So in the root over term 2t square plus 1 will be substituted. Let u square equal to 2t square plus 1. Why we take u square not u? Because if you take u square, then it root over will be balanced. What is the derivative of u square? It is 2u. 2u into du is equal to t square derivative is to t into 2. 4t into dt. So u du by 2 is equals to t dt. So it is minus u du by 2 divided by what is 2t square plus 1, it is u square, root over of u square. Now what is t square? From this you find t square. T square is equal to u square minus 1 by 2. t square is equal to u square minus 1 by 2. U square minus 1 by 2 plus 2. U square minus 1 by 2 plus 2. And u square root over is u, and this u will be cancelled out. U square root over is u will be cancelled out. Half will be taken out, right? Come to its next simpler form. Come to its next simpler form. Now it is minus 1 by 2 integration of du by u square minus 1 plus 4 by 2. Here is 2 to also cancel. So this is minus du by u square plus 3. Dx by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. It is minus 1 by root 3 tan inverse u by root 3 plus c. It is equal to minus 1 by root 3 tan inverse. What is u? What is u? Root over of 2t square plus 1. Root over of 2t square plus 1 by root 3. This plus c. In place of t, we write what? In place of t, we write what? T means it is 1 by x. So, minus 1 by root 3 into tan inverse root over of 2 by x square plus 1 by 3. This plus c is equal to minus 1 by root 3 tan inverse 2 plus x square by 3x square whole root over plus c. This is the final answer for the second example, right? This is all about the pure quadratic and quadratic linear into quadratic in the denominator.